now we are going to discuss about hierarchical inheritance in a detailed manner using examples and then using some diagram. So also using real life examples. So first, what is hierarchical inheritance? So we have already talked about the many things regarding inheritance. We have already talked about the inheritance in a detailed manner in the previous videos. Now we are going to focus on hierarchical inheritance. So what is a hierarchical inheritance? So let's consider a scenario. So if your father has 2 or 3 children, these 3 children can access the properties of your father. That is called hierarchical inheritance. So that's a simple thing. So here class A, class B, class C. Class A is the base class. Class B and class C are the derived classes. This class B and class C are accessing the properties of class A. So real life example, animal class. So humans are also animals, dogs are also animals, cats are also animals. So human class, dog class, cat class, etc. are extending the animal class. So they can access the properties of animal class. So here these are the 3 classes: class animal, class human, and then class dog. Class animal is the base class which has a method called eat method, and then class human, which is the derived class which extends the animal class. So since human class is extending the animal class, human class access the properties of animal class. So human class has a specific method called run, and it can also access the properties of animal class. So it can access the properties of animal class. So it can access the method called eat method. And then dog class. Dog class extends animal class. Since it extends animal class, it accesses all the properties present in the animal class provided based on the access modifier. If access modifier grants the permission, it extends all the properties of animal class. If access modifier doesn't grant permission, then it won't access the properties. In this case, access modifier grants the permission. So dog can access the eat method which is present inside the animal class. And then dog has a specific method called bark method. So here we have created a main method. Inside the main method we have created 2 objects called human object and then dog object, using human class and also using dog class. Using human object, you can access the method called eat which is in the animal class. Using human object, you can access the method called run which is in the human class. So similarly, dog object can access the method which is in the animal class and also dog class. So it can access the methods called eat and then bark. Now if you run this program, you could see the following output: human eating and running, dog eating and barking. So this is a sample program to explain hierarchical inheritance.